So my name is Mohit Mazumdar, and I'm one of the global representatives of Fine Biotech. My PhD was focused on developing a novel method to identify and predict calcium binding sites using data mining and predictive modeling. So I have had a lot of experience working on machine learning tools and also been working with academia and industry for past 12 years to provide bioinformatics education and research, and have been working on more than 80 bioinformatics projects. So also here with participants, since I joined here, we've been working with participants to work on their projects. So one of the purposes is to develop that project and understand and work on a novel problem, and then to be able to come up with a video presentation or a publication draft. So that is about me, and today I would wanted to tell you a little bit about the next sessions that we will be having, and also the entire program. So how we are envisioning it to be. So in this entire program, our focus will be on NGS transcriptomics data analysis. That includes performing downstream analysis and applying data science techniques and machine learning methods. So we will have almost a month, which is like a 4 week time to discuss various aspects of RNA-seq data analysis and how this field of bioinformatics, especially in context of data science, application of data science and machine learning has evolved. So that will be covered between now and June 11th. So the next session that we have is on 21st May, where we will be doing the running analysis on cell line data using the TBioinfo platform that you just saw today. As you are registering, you will be getting the access to the licenses that the program participants will have, so that you can run analysis on the TBioinfo platform. So after this session on 24th, we have the review session where we will learn about the RNA-seq data that we discussed in the project, so cell line data, as I said. So in this session, we will be reviewing the publication by Demian et al. So this publication is about modeling precision treatment of breast cancer cell line. So this will be covered on 24th. And then we have sessions on coding. So that would be on 26th May, where we will be learning about how do you start utilizing the code platform that you saw. So at the same time, you will have the access, you will be having the access to the platform and the playground, so you can do it on your own at your own time. So you will be able to access the tutorials that describes how do you run the script, and then you can do it yourself within the playground to come up with analysis as well. So and then we have to apply these analysis methods to our research. So it's important that you finish these lessons that we will be emailing you also, and we will be showing you during the sessions, and that you will be finding in the on the learn portal that you saw and also have registered, right? So after that, on 28th May, we have a session on normalization and preparation of analysis. So we will be moving from transcriptomics 1 to transcriptomics 2, which is more about statistical analysis and how we can interpret from the results that we have obtained from raw sequencing data to a table of expression. So this would be on 28th May. And then again, we have a R tutorial on data visualization, R and Python tutorial. So we have courses, specialization courses for R, where you can apply R for all these sort of visualization techniques and applying machine learning techniques such as PCA and clustering methods. So similarly, we